The rise of AI sales assistants, boosting productivity and performance. AnyBiz. Artificial intelligence has rapidly integrated into our daily lives, transforming how we interact with technology and work environments. It offers numerous benefits, particularly for sales teams, by handling a multitude of tasks efficiently. Sales professionals juggle various responsibilities daily, including prospecting, customer relationship management, pipeline management, data analysis, and more. Leveraging AI sales assistants has become essential for staying competitive and excelling in today's market. AI sales assistants transform sales with their 24/7 availability, consistent performance, and ability to scale interactions. They analyze data for better decision-making and provide personalized outreach at scale, improving customer experience and boosting conversions. To maximize AI sales assistants, integrate them with CRM systems, keep their models updated, balance AI with human agents, and use AI insights to refine sales strategies. 10 key characteristics of AI sales assistants. 1. Natural language processing, NLP possibilities. 2. Machine learning, always improving. 3. Email, chat, voice multi-channel support. 4. Lead scoring prediction analytics. 5. Sentiment analysis to measure customer feelings. 6. Reminders and automatic follow-ups. 7. Customized suggestions for products. 8. Real-time reporting and analysis. 9. Compatibility with several sales systems and tools and platforms. 10. Scripts and customizable reactions. AnyBiz is an AI tool that acts as a 24/7 digital sales assistant, finding and engaging leads. Key features include AI sales agents for lead generation, multi-channel outreach, personalized messaging, automated scheduling, email warm-up, smart decision-making, and a real-time dashboard. Top AI sales assistants include Regi.ai for automation and copywriting, XAAI for scheduling, Drift for real-time chats, Clay for data enrichment and emails, and Veloxy for Salesforce integration. AI sales assistants, such as AnyBiz, transform customer interactions and lead generation by automating outreach, email management, and scheduling. They enable sales teams to focus on building relationships and closing deals, driving success and efficiency in the digital age. In our blog, we share a step-by-step guide on how to implement AnyBiz in your business. Check it out by following the link below the video. Thanks for joining us. Explore AnyBiz.io and make sure to like and subscribe for the latest updates and tips on optimizing your email outreach.